What is a rollout test or a rollout experiment? Well, it's simply put, it's when you're going to, in a kind of surgical way, only run these ads in a certain portion of the country. It's an intentional toe in the water. And this allows you for new channels or maybe new strategies within an existing channel to not bet the farm, right? We don't think you should bet the farm when you're doing something new. It also allows you to concentrate the budget. So instead of putting a whole bunch of money into the whole country and trying to fund a national campaign, we're going to concentrate it in a random portion of the country and watch and see what happens. Of course, if you find that this has positive lift, you're going to have an appetite to put this in the rest of the country. So that's the question that we're going to be after. But the very next question that you should be interested in is our favorite question at LiftLab. And how much in an existing media plan that's already running top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, wherever this new channel is, how much is it? Is it accretive, and to what degree? And at what point would we say enough is enough? So answering that in a small portion of the country before we go roll this out everywhere is a best practice. It allows you to gather very strong data quickly. And it's very unlikely that the answer is going to be that this doesn't work. The answer is going to be, and how much of it do I need? In an existing media plan, where does this fit? And to what degree are we comfortable funding it?